That my way. Spin this shit around. That's him.
What's going on, people? OG back on the screen. We have a banger here for you guys today. Now, I'm actually going to take the liberty to put screenshots on this video. You know, we're going to edit the video, put a lot of good quality into it. Sorry that it's the vertical stream, but I do this stream just so we can pull up some new subs, get into the new algorithm that they have for this new method on YouTube. But you guys still will be able to see, and I'll still be able to break this down to you guys on how to play defense, what you need to stop these small guards, left, righting. You see a lot of people try to ban screens, or they try to ban there's this crazy stuff people try to talk about to ban within the game because they think they can't be stopped. But the key is to have a 6'10" or higher. So once you get to 7 foot, it makes it even more better. But 6'10" is like the perfect sweet spot for a lockdown, a big lockdown. And people gonna look at it like, whoa, whoa, whoa. Also with a 99 block. I'm pretty sure you guys can look on the screen and see the stats and see that I have a 99 block on the build. Now y'all gonna be like, whoa, that's overkill. You don't need no 99 nothing. But a 99 block is like the supreme edge. It's like me, a defender, telling people for a guard, like if you on offense, it's like you being able to hit all your combos, spam your step backs, and chain everything together perfectly to lose a player. Do this little fast speed boost to the line, everything. You could just snap perfectly what you're doing. That's what a 99 block is like. Because when you're jumping and contesting, even on shots, you have to understand how I find denier pops up. You understand that? It's connected now. It's no longer just like a chase down artist badge. Badges are chained together to they start doing that, right? I made plenty of other defensive videos this year. Remember, I make them pop up on the screen from this year and ones from previous time on how much numbers. So make sure you watch this video full through. It's maybe long, I may be talking a bit, but it's all gonna benefit you. Once you have that right, you have to know you have the best contest to cover up somebody's green window. When a guard is peeking you, he's doing a little left right, crabbing you, dream game. This is the part. This is where real sweats be at. There's a lot of players who scared, they run from this. Zen's this, Zen's that. If you show more like we make an effort out here to stop it, then we getting on the dev's ass too. On top of that, what y'all think that's gonna do? It's gonna create the devs to say, you know what, we gotta make some change. Watch this first play. Watch this first play. Now, if you watch this play, look how I drop back, but I'm in a good enough position to run and contest him and still dash out to this three-pointer and get the block. This is why I tell people jump. The first play, people, we got to block and know when to jump.
Big blocks. And I just had to go pick my son off the bus real quick. Came back and punched somebody's shit.
Come on.
Give me that shit again. Come on. Oh, get the guard. No, let me crash. Let me crash if I do that. It's all good. Got 2 ways.
So at this point, I am going to slow down some of these clips. Like when you see me slow down a clip, zoom on it a little bit and break it down a little bit more for you guys. But as you can see right here, as I'm doing at the 6'10" position, right? I'm playing the hedge defense. Now, you see how I'm playing hedge defense, right? I'm jumping in the window. You see how he's deep into a half-court shot that he doesn't want to take?
Pussy. Stop playing. I play D, nigga.
2 blocks.
D, nigga. I fucking play D. Yo, no way to check and say I don't play D, bro. Go on.
Now, pay attention to my positioning, people. It's very, very important. You see how I'm always in that spot? Look, I'm on the left side of the screen, covering up the space for the guard to drive. He can't drive because his screen is set up on the right-hand side for him to go around it that way. He can't do anything really with that inside screen. I mean, you can use it as a diversion or something like that, but really the screen's not in a great position for him at all, okay? Now, here's a thing that I do called dummy jumps, okay? You have to jump in the window, because right here, that's a crap. He could have kind of shot that if he wanted to, right there again, but the jumps is scaring him. I do this all the time, I'm telling you. They want to shoot it when there's really no hand up. Then you have some people who really, they just don't want to shoot unless they're wide open completely. Like, they're stuck like that. They can't understand that sometimes you got to shoot a late contest. They don't, you know. So, look right here. After doing the dummy jumps, right, looks how I put a hand up right here to get on my man. He's supposed to run through to get to the guard. This is how this defense works. It can't be me running to pick it up because I'm closer. I have to always be this hedge, scary guy behind the scenes. Look how I slapped the ball right off his noggin, because he thought he had the wide open peek, because I let my man, my teammate, go back and pick up his man. You guys see that? That's how the defense works. It throws him off for a second. He thinks he's free again. Like, okay, I got him on ISO again. Or I got him behind the screen game again. And that big is more in the paint. But I already am thinking this in my mind, and I run to go and contest. Learn that, people. Watch again. Watch off this play. The guard is very, very good. He can shoot. Trust me, he's one of them 81%. 80 from 3. I don't know if he's in it or not. It's hard to tell, but high ass 3, 80 plus. Look how he thinks he's open right here. 3.
Niggas be saying, oh, you can't do this shit in the park. I'll do it to anybody, Zen. Man.
You gotta do this for your guard. 83% shooter, Lil.
Which blocks I'm gonna get like this? Oh yeah.
Another stop.
Yes, sir.
Look at the contest. You have to time it like whack-a-mole. Like in the arcade, when the head pops up, when he shoots the ball, you jump. Watch this.
So scared now. Good shot. You see? He actually tough, bro. He's actually tough, but my health, I'm telling you, he actually a tough guard.
See how he can shoot?
Oh, yeah, corner.
He can get it done.
Easy. I got two-way again. I'm about to help.
The best role player right now. Now I got two-way to help behind it. Jumping in the window, dummy jumps. We get an easy 2 thrown. Dummy jumps are important, people. Oh, why you keep jumping? This is key to helping your team. The Y button. If you have to just go in your mod court, or just go put yourself on the defensive end and just practice pressing Y, practice slide and pressing Y on contest, or just, you know, you have to learn how to do that in this part on any players. So right here, watch this. I'm shading for him good. The screen comes, it's in a very good position for him to work and do something now. And this was a super tough shot. It was like a 0.2 I was late. But what I wasn't doing was dummy jumping. Usually I'll dummy jump behind the screen, and if we're up, that's when I say to do dummy jumps, when you're up. That means you jump and then the center will go inside off of the split. And then the guard will probably pass it to the center, and then it's a 2, which they don't want. You know, all these guards want a 3 hunt, people. Y'all know that, right? So I get this easy dunk. I get my 2-way. It's good to throw your bigs this easy dunk, because the 2-way increases all the defensive attribute stats, right? And it makes you move faster. You can feel it when you have 2-way tenacity on. You can feel it. So it's even better for me to be behind the screens. Dummy jumping, I can recover quicker with having pogo stick. I told you guys having pogo stick on a high level allows you to jump and recover quickly. Look right here, dummy jump. Boom, I'm back on the fleet. Dummy jump again. Boom. He's not shooting. Do y'all see this? Look. Boom, dummy jump again. Now, people, he is dead. He passes it. Look, we are up. So they just get an easy 2. That's cool. As long as we're scoring and executing our offense, we are good. We are in the clear. Do you see how those jumps throw him off?
It's all good.
What would you do?
I'm up for you.
Look at the dummy jumps.
Yes, sir. I'm back on mine.
This is my teammate.
Yeah, he ain't shooting it. He's scared. I'm switching. Oh, he missed. Left side.
Look at the D.
After he gets that second chance. Side.
He's so scared. Oh, good pass. Bang, bang, nigga.
Damn.
He got bumped. He's not shooting that one. Look at the coverage. That's deep. He has to get to the line. Oh, he missed. I got bored this time. Yes, sir. I knew he was gonna miss that one. I'm gonna explain this too.
Plain to say. He's trying to rip me.
Now, right here, look at the coverage again. You see I'm coming over that screen right there, and we're like closing him up in a sandwich while he's doing that left, right, and I still stay over here and I do a dummy jump because he's hunting for the 3. But right here, he's dead. He did too many moves. He stopped on an animation he really didn't want to stop on. He's already using the stick to shoot, so these guys can mess up a little bit more when they do a lot of dribble moves, which he was doing, over spamming that left, right, speed boosting, using lightning launch, and he got himself dead. Look at this right here. Boom, boom. This is taking a lot of stand from him right here. A lot right here. Just sitting here spamming it like that. That's taking a lot of stand. Then look, when he speed boosts off right here, that's like a lightning launch. Then look, he does it again, the little crossover again, which takes a lot of stamina from you even more. And he's like using his turbo to come around like on this bad angle that he doesn't want to shoot. People are always wide open. Like, no, you have to make them work. When you make them work harder, they have like a higher chance of missing their shot. You get them out of their groove. I have another crazy video, man, that's showing you guys. Lock this dude up, man. Same type of thing. He was crazier than this guy too. He was red tag and ranked.
Come down, somebody come down.
There you go. I ain't getting this shit stolen after that good defensive play. All the way. Oh yeah, good pass. Animated, bang bang, baby. Come on now. Got the help behind you. Yup, nigga! I'm here still. Yeah. Nigga, I'm the crab king, nigga. I'm the crab king, nigga. You missed the game. You can see how turned I am and how hyped I am. Do you think the average 2K player is like that when they're playing defense, or it's more like, this is annoying, I don't want to guard this, or damn, I can't do nothing? I'm amped because in my mind, I'm understanding what needs to be done. Look at the perfect contest. Look at the percentage. Look how hype I'm getting. He wants it back. They're literally giving it back to him because this is their man. He's the one who gets it done, who takes other people off the court. But I'm on this. Look at this. Jumping. Yeah, I'm screaming. Yeah. Pogo stick. We got another jump. Like I said, people. Y'all better lock in.
Stop playing with me.
That's fucking crazy.
This is shit I really got to react to. Oh my God. Got bro in a real box. I'm going to this corner. He missed, middle. It's alright. It's alright. One bucket. See, he can hit his shots. Hopefully don't spill. Yes. I'm coming with the little splitty. Oh my God. Perfect. Me and him. That's what I like. 5-game win streak with randoms in the park. If I'm playing like a big roll, a lockdown, we winning the game easier. I can play on my scoring build too and be the scorer, but it's when I'm playing this role, playing that help D, making their toughest guard scared, it always changes the game 100%. It never fails. I do it live all the time. I have another gameplay showing y'all going against Zens, man. I got crazy stuff to show y'all very, very soon. Playing against Zens, all that. Y'all got watch tutorials on tutorials. Tap in.